Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into Disney credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by opening any web browser you want. Once you do that, in the search box, type in Disney credit card login. From the search results, select this one right here and you'll be taken to the official website. In order to sign in or log in, go and click on the sign in button at the upper right. And in the login box, type in your username in the first text field. Make sure to enter a valid username in order to log into your account. After you're done, move on to the next field and type in your password again. Make sure to type in the correct password if you want to log in without any kind of a problem. If you don't remember your password, then you can go and click on Forgot Username or Password link. Same goes for the username as well. In case you've forgotten your username, you can click on this link and follow the instructions to look for your username, or to reset your password to a new one. If you want the system to remember you, click on Remember Me box. If you want to use token services, click on Use Token and enter the token number. If not, leave it as it is, and click on the Sign In button. Once you click on the Sign In button, you'll be logged into Disney credit card account in no time. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.